Hi guys, this is me once again. This is a quick video regarding the process of your Saudi police clearance. Totoo po yung balita na pwede na po kayong kumuha ng Saudi police clearance via online or ABSHER.
Wow!
Pero this only works if nandito pa kayo sa loob ng kaharian. But if you're already outside Saudi Arabia or nasa Pilipinas na po kayo or nasa ibang bansa na kayo, it is a different process. You always have to check time to time dito sa vlog ko kasi sobrang updated po ako. Madalas po ako nasa consulate and then sa OFA and then sa police station. Nakakuha ko lagi ng information. This changes was only implemented last January 15, 2024. Isang buwan pa lang siya. Medyo confusing pa kasi ang consulate natin nag-i-issue pa rin ng endorsement letter. But if you are living here in Saudi Arabia, no need to get an endorsement letter from the consulate. Ang kailangan na lang po ninyo is to log in directly to your ABSHER para makapag-request kayo ng Saudi police clearance ninyo. But you have to pay 57.50 riyals via Visa or Mastercard. Mas lesser na po ang expenses ngayon sa pagkuha ng Saudi police clearance compare to the Saudi police clearance obtained before January 15. Mas madali na lang ngayon. Kaya sa mga nasa malayong provinces, pwede na kayong mag-apply for Saudi police clearance via your ABSHER or online. And then, Ministry of Foreign Affairs authenticate po ninyo iyon. And then, final step would be the authentication of the consulate. Lalong-lalo na kung gagamitin nyo sa pag-apply ng visa or migration abroad. Yun lang po guys. I hope na liwanagan na kayo sa mga changes. Just check from time to time my update para mas updated kayo sa changes na meron tayo dito sa kaharian. So that would be all and thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.